Tactical gear appeals to many people just because it appears tough and prepared for combat. It looks rugged, feels solid, and seems capable of handling anything. However, look by itself might be deceptive. Equipment that appears sturdy is frequently the first to malfunction or break in emergency situations. Genuine military-grade tactical equipment makes a significant impact in this situation. It is designed to function when failure is not an option, tested under harsh conditions, and developed with a specific mission in mind. We're showcasing 20 amazing tactical military devices and equipment in today's video that you should check out. If you haven't already, subscribe. Now, let's begin. The Magpul Daka Range Bag is a masterclass in minimalist, heavy-duty organization designed for shooters who prioritize speed and durability. Constructed from high-strength Daka hard goods material and reinforced with Daka Dura nylon, this bag is both water-resistant and incredibly rugged, maintaining its structure even under the weight of heavy ammunition. Instead of cluttered small pockets, it features a massive open main compartment with specialized AR magazine straps and internal pistol sleeves to keep your primary gear secured. The welded seams provide a seamless barrier against dust and moisture, making it ideal for harsh outdoor environments. Its oversized YKK zippers are easy to operate with gloves, ensuring quick access to your firearms. Many professionals prefer this layout because it prevents gear from getting lost in tiny compartments while offering a stable base that won't collapse. At a manageable weight, it balances portability with the ability to haul multiple handguns and several hundred rounds of ammo. It's a dependable, weather-shielded companion for any serious day at the range. The Wilcox G24 remains the gold standard for night vision integration, offering a rock-solid connection between your helmet and optic. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, this low-profile mount is engineered to be lightweight without sacrificing the structural integrity needed for high-impact operations. Its standout safety feature is the breakaway system, which allows the mount to pivot or release under pressure, significantly reducing the risk of neck injury during falls or fast roping. The G24 provides extensive adjustment capabilities, including vertical, tilt, and fore-aft travel, all of which can be fine-tuned with a single hand while on the move. A quick release button ensures that the NVGs can be stowed or deployed in a fraction of a second, staying locked and rattle-free once engaged. The anodized finish protects against corrosion, while the tight tolerances prevent the wobble often found in cheaper alternatives. For professionals operating in total darkness, the G24 offers the precision and reliability required for mission-critical gear. The Meprolight MVO is a highly versatile 1-to-8x low-power variable optic, or LPVO, designed to dominate both close quarters and mid-range engagements. Utilizing a first focal plane design, the reticle stays proportional to the target at every magnification level, allowing for accurate holdovers at 8x and rapid red dot style acquisition at 1x. The optic is built around a 34mm main tube and premium multi-coated glass, ensuring maximum light transmission and a crystal-clear field of view even in low light conditions. It features an illuminated M1 mil reticle with adjustable brightness levels compatible with night vision devices. With a true 1x magnification, shooters can keep both eyes open for maximum situational awareness, while the integrated throw lever allows for lightning-fast transitions to higher power. The locking turrets prevent accidental shifts in zero, and the 3.7 inches of eye relief provides a comfortable buffer for high recoil platforms. Weighing 25.3 ounces, it's built to survive extreme field use while offering up to 600 hours of battery life for long-term reliability. The UF Pro Hunter FZ Gen 3 is a high-performance tactical jacket engineered to provide weather protection without sacrificing mobility. It features a sophisticated dual-fabric construction, utilizing a windproof and water-repellent outer shell paired with breathable 37.5 microfleece lining to manage moisture and body temperature effectively. The sides are equipped with mesh panels that prevent overheating during high-intensity patrols or outdoor operations. Designed for practicality, the jacket includes strategically placed arm and front pockets, along with elastic loops for pen storage and gear organization. At just 610 grams, it is exceptionally lightweight and highly packable, making it an essential layer for unpredictable climates. The anatomical slim fit and elastic cuffs ensure that the jacket doesn't snag on gear or brush, allowing for a full range of motion. Whether worn as a standalone outer shell in mild weather or as a mid-layer in freezing conditions, its fast-drying properties and rugged build make it a top choice for field professionals. The Walker's Razor Slim electronic muffs offer a perfect balance between hearing protection and situational awareness for high-decibel environments. These muffs feature ultra-low-profile ear cups that won't interfere with your cheek weld or helmet, making them ideal for long shooting sessions. Equipped with 2 omnidirectional microphones, they pick up ambient sounds and voices, magnifying them for clear communication while instantly compressing harmful noise like gunfire. With a lightning-fast reaction time, the sound-activated compression ensures your hearing is shielded the moment a shot is fired. The inclusion of an integrated audio jack allows for easy connection to radios or phones, while the padded headband and soft ear cushions provide all-day comfort. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, the system is efficient and easy to maintain in the field. For shooters who need to hear range commands or environmental cues while staying protected from permanent ear damage, the Razor Slim provides a sleek, reliable, and affordable solution.